Introduction to Coinbase. If you're considering trying out Coinbase, join me in this comprehensive review where I'll cover all the essential information you need to know. Before diving into crypto trading, what is Coinbase? Let's start with what Coinbase is, what it does, and why I'm a fan. Having spent a couple of weeks exploring its features, I'll walk you through why this platform is excellent for crypto trading. Established in 2012, Coinbase has grown to become the largest crypto exchange in the US, even going public on the Nasdaq in 2021. Why Coinbase? So, what makes Coinbase stand out? It's a powerhouse for crypto trading, offering a safe, legal, and user-friendly platform. Most people flock to Coinbase for Bitcoin, but it's much more than that. From Ethereum to various altcoins, including Cardano, Solana, and XRP, Coinbase covers a wide range of cryptos. Plus, it's a reliable platform for those interested in NFTs. Trading experience. Discover a professional trading experience at Coinbase, designed with simplicity in mind. I'll explain how you can easily build and manage your crypto portfolio on this platform. You'll also learn about advanced features like setting recurring buys, ensuring a smooth trading experience. Trust and security. Unlike many crypto exchanges, Coinbase prioritizes trust and security. I'll delve into their trust features, including crypto insurance and secure offline storage facilities, ensuring your assets are safe. Getting started. Now, let's discuss how you can start trading on Coinbase, from creating your account to linking it with your bank account. You'll also learn about different payment methods available, depending on your location. Trading process. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile app, Coinbase offers a seamless trading experience. I'll walk you through the trading process, from placing orders to monitoring your portfolio's performance. Customer support. While Coinbase lacks live customer support, I'll explain their alternative support options. Despite this drawback, Coinbase has a solid reputation for customer service and overall trading experience. Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is a cryptocurrency trading platform owned and operated by Coinbase. Traders on Coinbase Pro can benefit from lower trading fees compared to Coinbase's retail platform, especially for high-volume trades. The platform also provides APIs for developers who want to build trading bots or integrate trading functionalities into their applications. Regulation and safety. Coinbase, like other cryptocurrency exchanges, operates under regulatory frameworks that vary by jurisdiction. Generally, it must adhere to anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations to prevent illicit activities like money laundering and terrorism financing. Additionally, ensuring cybersecurity measures is crucial to safeguard users' assets from hacks and breaches. Continuous compliance with evolving regulations is essential to maintain trust and legality in the crypto space. Conclusion. From its inception to its current status as a leading crypto exchange, Coinbase has proven its reliability and user-friendliness. With its strong focus on trust, security, and compliance, Coinbase is a safe choice for both novice and experienced traders. Thanks for joining me in this review, and I'll see you in the next one.